Prepare for the TOEFL listening section with this sample lecture on socialization. Listen to the lecture, answer some questions about it, then check your answers. If necessary, review the lecture to confirm your understanding. Subscribe for more practice lectures on a wide range of academic topics, covered in college and university classes.
Socialization is the lifelong process through which individuals learn and internalize the norms, values, beliefs, and behaviors of their culture or society. From infancy to old age, socialization occurs through various agents, including family, peers, schools, media, and religious institutions. Firstly, let's consider the role of the family in socialization. Families are often the primary agents of socialization, providing the earliest and most enduring influence on an individual's development. Through interactions with parents, siblings, and extended family members, children learn fundamental social skills, language, and cultural practices. As children grow older, peers become increasingly influential in the socialization process. Peer groups provide opportunities for social interaction, identity formation, and the internalization of group norms and values. Peer relationships play a crucial role in shaping attitudes, behaviors, and social identities during adolescence and beyond. Schools also play a significant role in socialization. Beyond academic instruction, schools socialize students into the norms and expectations of society, teaching them to conform to rules, interact with authority figures, and cooperate with peers. Additionally, schools contribute to the transmission of cultural knowledge and values through formal and informal curriculum. Media, including television, film, music, and the internet, serve as powerful agents of socialization in contemporary society. Through media consumption, individuals are exposed to a wide range of cultural representations, ideologies, and social norms. Media messages shape perceptions of self, others, and the world, influencing attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. Religious institutions also play a role in socialization, transmitting moral and ethical values, rituals, and beliefs about the nature of existence and the purpose of life. For many individuals, religion provides a framework for understanding the world and their place within it, shaping their identity and guiding their behavior.
One. What is socialization? Two. Which of the following is not mentioned as an agent of socialization? Three. How do peer groups influence socialization? Four. What is the role of schools in socialization? Five. How does the media contribute to socialization? Six. What role do religious institutions play in socialization?
How did it go? Were you able to answer the questions correctly? Share your score in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe for more TOEFL listening practice with lectures.